And welcome back, Math Masters, you fabulous fourth graders of room 502, virtual room 502. Just get my, oh well, we'll do what we can do. I'll just have to leave that down there because I cannot see my cursor. All right, let's take a look at this problem. 1,503 kilograms of rice was packed in sacks weighing 3 kilograms each. How many sacks were packed? Say that 10 times fast. So there's our amount of rice, kilograms of rice, 1,503. We're making a bunch of bags, 3 kilograms each. So let's make our tape diagram. And the first thing I'm going to do is my hole. My hole is 1,503. And remember, if we look back at our question here, we're putting in sacks that weigh 3 kilograms each. Okay, 3 kilograms each. We can put the kilograms right here. And we can put the kilograms right up there just so we know what's going on. What we don't know is how many bags. How many bags will we be able to make? That's what we need to figure out. And so let's go ahead and do our standard algorithm. Our number is 1,503, and we're dividing it by 3. Once again, we're running into problems. Can't take that 1 and divide it by 3. You'd have a remainder, right? So remember, think about the place value disk, how we transferred, how we decomposed over into the hundreds. So now we have 1500s. 1500s divided by 3. Let's count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Boop. And we subtract. 5 minus 1, or 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. What do I do here? Looks like we might have a 0 in the dividend as well as a 0 in the quotient. So let's bring down that 0. What can I do? Can't do a thing, can I? Right? So looks like we got to bring down the 3. How many 3s are in 3? Well, 1. So we got to go straight up. Some of you want to go, make a turn, make a left turn, and put it right here. No, you got to go straight up and down here. All right, so what do we put in this middle here? Danny Barrett would be able to tell us. She would say 0. That's right. 3 times 1 is 3. We subtract the 3, we get a 0. So now we could do the check here. We take the old quotient, 501, multiplied by the divisor. 1 times 3 is 3. 0 times 3 is 0. Look at that. 5 times 3, 15. And it equals the dividend of 1,503. So how many bags of rice can we make? We can make 501. Is it we? Or how many sacks were made? Is there a name here? Nope. So we're saying there were 501 sacks. Oh. Some people do that. Oh, instead of of. You see that sometimes on menus and stuff. Sacks o' rice are in advertisements. So there we have it. 501 sacks o' rice. All right, let's turn this puppy over to the next page, page 100. Do this problem, then we'll take a little break, okay? Rita made 5 batches of cookie. Oh, we should get to become friends with Rita. There was a total of 2,400 cookies. Wow, she could feed the whole town of Anza, I think. If each batch contains the same number of cookies, how many cookies were in 4 batches? Wow, a lot going on here. So we have 4 batches. So she made 5 batches of cookies. There were a total of 2,400 cookies. If each batch contained the same number of cookies, how many cookies were in 4 batches? So we don't want to know how many were in 5. We want to know how many were in 4. How do we do that? Well, it's a 2-step problem, right? Let's figure out how many are in 5 batches. So we're going to make 5 batches here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay? And there's a total of 2,400 cookies. That's our whole 2,400. See how that works? She made 2,400 cookies, and there were 5 batches, okay? What we don't know is this. How much are in each batch? And we're not looking to figure out all 5. We just want to know 4, okay? There's a couple of ways we can do it, but I think I'm going to do it this. Well, let's see how they want us to do it. Okay. All right. Well, let's go ahead and do it the original way I was going to do it. So we have 2,400, and we're dividing it by 5, the 5 batches. And this will tell us how many cookies are in each batch, okay? 5 cannot go into that 2. Remember, we would decompose it if we were dealing with the place value disks. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20. So we're going to multiply 5 by 4. In this case, actually, it's 400. And we would get 20 or 2,000, as the case may be. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. Let's bring down a 0. How many 5s are in 40? Let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 8. So 5 times 8 equals 40. We subtract. 0, 0. What do we do now? We got to bring down this 0. What do we put up here? We got to have something over this digit. Yeah, we got to put a 0 there. So 480. So there's 480 in each batch. Cross that out now and put 480, right? So 480 plus 480 plus 480 plus 480 plus 480 will equal 2,400. Our 480 times 5 will equal 2,400. However, we just want to know what are in 4 batches, right? That was what the question. So we don't care about that 5th batch. So what I could do is I could do 480. Should we check the answer first? I think we're right on this one. Let's just do 480 times 4 to figure this one out. 0 times 4 is 0. 8 times 4 is 32. Carry the 3. 4 times 4 is 16, plus the 3 is 19. So 1,920 would be in 4 batches. But let's do this another way, kind of another way we could figure this out. Let's take the total of 2,400, do a little math review here, and subtract 480. We should get 1,920. 0 minus 0 is 0. Decompose there, make that a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 13 minus 4 is 9. Bring down the 1. 1,920. So we're right on both accounts. We're right on this on the dividend. So in 4 batches, comma, there are 1,920 cookies. That would feed the whole school, at least, even the high school, and all the staff. All right, so that's that. We're going to take a little break now, run around the house, do some jumping jacks, tell mom and dad you love them, pet the dog, feed the cat, check up on your little brother or little sister, make sure they're paying attention to Mrs. Conant or Mrs. Rojas or Mrs. Parsons, and come on back for